When we look back on our life, in our last breaths, we will all wonder, did my life did I matter?
What up, what up, what up? This your boy Crick in the building, and today I'm gonna show you about this freedom program. You see what it said, freedom. We help you grow faster on YouTube. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not earning nothing from these programs and none of that stuff. I do have an affiliate link, but I drop the link that's gonna take you right here. See what I'm saying? I do my affiliate else place. I only affiliate market where I know people, where my niche is at. I don't do that on YouTube. I just show y'all where this stuff is at. It's up to you. Don't come crying about it didn't work, because if you don't use this stuff, it's not going to work. They got free access to over 500,000 awesome music tracks. They got effective tips and tricks, over 80,000 active community members. So you got to collaborate with these people. You can't just sign up and think it ain't going to work. And you can make money with this through a referral program, like I said. And see, here goes some happy. This guy started with the Freedom Program in October 2014 with 0 subscribers. See, 0. Present to date. This is how many subscribers he got. I'm going to take you to a channel so you see these people in line. I'm just passing on information what I see. See right there, 2 million subscribers. This guy started on this Freedom Program. He had 0 subscribers. See how they grow people's channel? They're going to help you grow if you come here and do what you got to do. See what I'm saying? You belong here. You can earn no minimum payout. You can earn $1. We pay you $1. And yes, I was approved for the Your Freedom application. Your application has been accepted to Freedom. See that partnership on May 10th. So this ain't nothing new at 1 o'clock in the morning. So this ain't nothing new to me, y'all. Use this Freedom. I'm telling you, you got a lot of stuff in here that you can benefit you. You can use this regardless of how many subscribers you got, but you ain't gonna get all the benefits until you pass that partnership program thing. See what I'm saying? That's when you're gonna get it all. It's the dashboard. See that right there, total earnings. You get all this stuff. You get the free mirrors. You get the 3D set right here. The 3D set, you can use it and make your videos. You can use this in live stream. Look at that 3D set.
Right now you have
if you join this and you don't know how to use this set, all you gotta do is holler at your boy. You get promoted. Submit your video using this 3D set for a chance to get promoted on the Joy Show. See that?
And you see the 2 files, big.
See that? You just slip. There you go right there. All this you get with Freedom, regardless of how many subscribers you have, how big your channel is, because these people gonna help you grow your channel. They gonna help you like I'm gonna try to help you, you dig? You can upload to Daily Motion automatically, quickly publish your YouTube videos onto Daily Motion to build your audience and monetization opportunities. You can earn product from reviewing games and all that stuff. The gamers, they got it made over here. See, I ain't no gamer. You submit your story, you join this community, and you get busy. That's all you gotta do with this Freedom Program right here. I ain't set up nothing. I ain't set up no payment or none of that stuff. This ain't no long to use this stuff. You know what to do, and you know what you got to do. You can learn more. Startup guys, you can go to the academy. You got to start learning this stuff. You can earn more. This crypto miner. See, a lot of people don't even know what this is, a crypto miner. A crypto miner use your internet while you not using, and you make money because they be mining from your internet.
Crypto family. This is the spike you created when you started mining using our crypto miner tool that
you make money from mining
earlier today. This is the Zcash mining pool that represents.
All you gotta do is join this free.
I was born in Slovakia, so I'm not full-blooded Canadian. Czech gamer, the first Czech gamer I think that has left a comment here. As a Czech gaming YouTuber who's not recording mainstream stuff and currently very busy because of external projects I'm working on, I'm very happy Freedom thinks about under requirement creators too. I was very surprised when I heard you were the only ones that contacted music libraries. Incidentally, Epidemic Sound is now contacting everybody on YouTube, offering free access to their library until August 31st if you don't meet the 4K 1K rule. Seems like they liked my idea of offering it to Freedom partners.
See, this all the stuff you get inside Freedom, y'all. I'm going to leave this link in the description below. You can sign up for it. I'm not going to force you. I'm not going to try to convince you or none of that stuff. You know what you need to do. if you want to grow, you need to set up your freedom. Like I said, I've been accepted in this program since March. I hustle, and I'm passing this on to y'all. You're going to click that link, you're going to read, and you're going to follow the instructions, what they tell you to do on the freedom. Like I said, if you need it, they got the training for you right here. You can learn more. All you got to do is click the startup guide. And you're going to go through here. You can read all this stuff, the do's and don'ts and learns and notes and ins and outs and all that stuff. Improve your branding, get more views, get promoted, your live streaming. You can go worldwide. You got partnership support. This is called freedom. Put your food stamp card back in your wallet. And you take the dumb off of the back, what you got free. And you know if it ain't free, it ain't Crick D. You already know how to do this. Your boy Crick D in the building, and I'm gone.